Here we've got a 2019-2020 Mitsubishi Triton. So we've just done the service on it. As soon as we start the car, you're supposed to get the warning, routine maintenance required. Here it says we've got 9 months or 9,000 kilometers to go, but we've just done the service, so we're going to be resetting the service light. So how you reset this is you turn the car completely off. As you can see there, the car's off. You scroll through the settings with this button here on the steering wheel until you reach a service. You hold in until the spanner flashes, you let go and click it in. And then it says clear, click it in again, and there the reset has been done. So nice and simple. Here's how you do the routine maintenance service reset on the Mitsubishi Triton 2019-2020 on. Thanks for watching and hope this video helps.